This is beautiful. I wonder if this time I'll meet some intelligent life forms. Like Jesus! Okay, this time I have backup.
What did it look like?
It's a purple lizard. You can't miss it.
There it is!
Honestly, I don't know why I was so scared.
Why do you say things?
I don't know! What the fuck?
Hang in there! Did you just die? You just tripped! They didn't even...
Is this? Yes,
Best day ever! Eat this, you cold-blooded bitch!
You know, this is kind of... Oh my god! Come on, a teddy bear? When will this end?
How is there more?
I don't know! I'm sick of this!
There it is!
Thanks, Captain Obvious! Just do the clear!
I need a clear shot!
Just take it already!
Okay, fine!
Yes, we did it! Oh, come on! I'd like to see that demon take on 4 guys!